Ready? Okay. Aloha mai kākou. Welcome to ʻAʻA LELO, our virtual Hawaiian language class. Today is Po'alua, Kala Umikumahiku o Novemapa. And today we're going to be talking about ʻŌPaʻa number 8. Alrighty. Okay, here's our agenda. For those of you joining us for the first time, this is pretty much what we're going to be going through today. And then in the chat, I'll paste it one more time. These are our links that we'll be using throughout the class. So you can follow along on your own with the Google Slides at the top. All right. Oh, that's wrong. Okay. Okay, so aloha mai kākou e nā haumana. Welcome to our ʻAʻA LELO virtual Hawaiian language class. Please type your answers in the chat. Everyone who's been here before, you know the drill. Owai koinoa, what is your name? Noho oi ihea, where do you live or where are you joining us from? And our question for this week, owai kau ali'i punahele. Who is your favorite monarch, Hawaiian monarch or Spanish monarch or Japanese monarch for those haumana in Mexican, and Japan? Okay, and what? No ke aha, why? So for me, aloha o kumukanuola ko uinoa no ke walo uka noho au I ke walo uka, and o keli'i pauahi ka'u ali'i punahele. Pauahi is my favorite ali'i because I benefited from her legacy when I attended the Kamehameha schools.
O anui nui ko uinoa noho au I papakolea. Hawaii, because my children benefited from going to Kamehameha schools.
Okay, thank you. Yep, so we'll see your answers coming in. We have Lili'u Okalani, because she is a strong leader. Lili'u Okalani, because she's a legacy for the Hawaiian people. Good. Kalakaua, Mekai. Okay, so we'll look at those later on. Thank you for putting in your answers. And ready and go. Ahela nani mahawaine, ahela nani mahawaine, na uoi, na uoi, na uoi ke ko. O wau do kau hau mana. Aloha hiahi kākou. Okay, moving on. Our loina. These are values that we practice each class. I'm just going to call on some of our new haumana to turn on your mic, and then can you read these for us? Maybe just one at a time. We'll start with Bianca.
And no need to be ashamed.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was still writing the answer. What was the question?
Oh, can you just read our first loina for us?
Okay. Aloha kekahi kekahi.
Yep, and that means?
To love one another, we are an ohana.
Okay, mahalo. So that's our first loina for the class. Can we have Kealohi? Can you read for us, please?
Oh, okay. Ho ihi aku, ho ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Ooh, that's a good thing to remember for all of us. Jalen, if you can read the next one. Pacheco.
Aloha.
Aloha.
E kulia I kanu'u. That means strive to be the very best you can be.
Mahalo. And lastly, let's have Winston Cabana.
ʻAʻa I ka ʻŌLELO mai hila hila means dare to speak, don't be shamed in class.
Okay, mahalo. And that's
Mahalo.
probably our number one rule because we have different levels of ʻŌLELO Hawaii in this class. So, but the main thing is no be shame. We're all here to support each other. So if you can leave positive comments for your fellow cousins, we call each other cousins, in the chat. Hikino? Hikino. All right, our Oli, Ehomai, asking our kupuna for wisdom. Makoko.
I.
Okay. E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no ea. O nā mele. E ho mai. E ho mai e a e ho mai a ke mai mai e o nā mea huna no ea o nā mele e ho mai e ho mai e ho mai e a e ho mai a ike mai luna mai e o nā mea huna no ea o nā mele e ho vai e ho vai e mahalo. All right, so before we get started with our lesson, tonight we're just going to celebrate the lahanau or the birthday of Kalakaua. So aloha lahanau e Kalakaua. And we're going to actually read through this little mo'olelo about his life quickly, if you guys don't mind. Just a little background about Kalakaua. So I'm going to call on a few of you to read either one or two sentences. And my poina, don't forget, ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO. Just go, okay? No one's going to be judging. Okay, so let's get started. Kalakaua he inoa. Student Cousin Cappy, you can read the first one.
O David la'a mea kalakaua kona inoa.
Okay, all right. Okay, can we have Sky read the next one, if you can see?
Ua hanao ia o Kalakaua ma kala umikumono o Novemapa.
Okay, so he was born on when?
The 16th of November.
16th of November. Okay. Next, can we have Pamela? Sorry.
No puovaina oahu mai o ia.
Okay, so he was born and raised in Puovaina, which we now call Punch Bowl. Next, can we have Lena Ala?
O Caesar Kaluaiku Kapa'akea Kona Makuakane.
Okay, and can you just give us a quick translation of that?
His father is Caesar Kaluaiku Kapa'akea.
Okay. Can we have Kapua read the next one?
O Analea Keohokalole Kona Makuahine. His mother is Analea Keohokalole.
Mahalo. Let's have Juliet. That's not Juliet. Oh, Haley. Sorry.
Ua hele o Kalakaua I ke kula o Chief Children's School.
Okay, and you want to give us a quick translation?
Oh, Kalakaua went to Chief Children's School.
Okay, which is now called Royal School. Next, Kapo, can you read the next two? So here.
Akamai. Okay, Akamai no o Kalakaua e leu loa oia. Kalakaua is very smart and he's very energetic.
Wow.
Okay, our next one. Can we have Cousin Mapuana?
ʻAʻole lo ihi o Kalakaua. Ua male o Kalakaua ia kapiʻolani ma ka lā umikumaiwa o Kekemapa.
Okay, what is that?
Kalakaua was not tall.
Yep.
Ua male, and he married Kapiʻolani on the 19th of December.
Yeah, good job. Which is also another Ali'i's birthday. If anyone knows the answer, can you type the answer in the chat? Which Ali'i is born on December 19th. Okay. The next one, let's have Carly. Oh, right. Oh gosh. Carlicano.
Sorry, I thought I unmuted. Okay. Nani a olu olu oia. She, maybe, is it talking about Kapiolani?
Yes, it is.
Okay, was pretty and kind.
Perfect.
Or
Good.
she is.
She is. That works too. Okay, let's have, who didn't go yet? Cousin Lorna, you want to try this one?
You might.
Auntie, or cousin, your mic.
Aloha kumo ua kūkulu o Kalakaua I ka hale ali'i o Iolani. I'm not sure about kūkulu. I've learned it, but I forgot. So, yeah.
With the hammer and your nails, you...
Okay.
Kalakaua built.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. The Kalakaua...
Mahalo.
Mahalo, that's a lot of frogs. Okay. Mahia, you want to try the next one?
Sure thing. Aloha. Nui a keokeo konahale.
Oh, you're new.
Yeah.
Do you know any of these words in this?
Hale, I know hale, that's home.
Okay. Keokeo is a color.
Okay.
This color. Right here. Yeah.
Oh, white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So his house is white, and Nui is me.
Big.
I would say Hawaiian, but
Oh.
yeah, big and white. So his house is big and white.
Okay, he lives in a big white house.
Let's have Kaulana. Can you do the next one? These next two, actually. Ua aloha to kapa kapa.
Ai kino. Ua aloha o Kalakaua I ka hula. O ka Mary Monarch kona inoa kapa kapa. Kalakaua loved hula, and his name is the Merry Monarch.
Yeah. So his nickname.
Nickname, sorry.
No, you're good. And then the last one, I'll just go with it. Haoli lahanau ya oi e ka mo I Kalakaua. I ola mau ko inoa I ka hano hano. So happy birthday to you, King Kalakaua. Your name will live on in glory and honor. Okay. So a little bit more about Kalakaua. Thank you everyone who translated and who read. Let's move on. We're going to review our colors. That's what we learned last class or last unit. And we have a quick video, a cute video of a whole ohana doing their ha'awina together, okay?
Aloha mai, o malasa ko uinoa. O today ko uinoa na vai ho'olu makakau. Pa. Ula mele mele poni polu ele akala ala ni ke o ahina hina oma o maku mahalo.
Okay, so that's awesome. You can see they definitely practiced because their timing was on point. So thank you, Melissa, and your ohana. I don't think she's here tonight, but mahalo. So here's our questions that we learned last week. Heaha kawai ho'olu'u o ko lauoho. What is the color of your
hair?
Okay, so in the chat, can everyone type their answer? Color ko'u lauoho for me, ele ko'u lauoho. And for student Kanakapi.
Maku'e. Right?
Finish.
Maku'e ko'u lauoho.
Okay, good. So that one's pretty easy because it's just color, ko'u, and then whatever mea. Our next one we have, can you read it for us?
Heaha ka wai ho'olu o ko mau maka.
Okay, so your maka is your eyes. So for me, ele ko'u mau maka.
Maku'e ko'u mau maka.
Mahalo. Okay, so you can type in both of those. Chris, brown is maku'e. Okay, we'll wait for those answers to come in. Thank you, guys. Mic is on, but okay, thank you. So we're gonna continue on with that, and we're gonna do some sample sentences, just some practice. Someone's mic is on. Figure that out later. Okay, so our first sentence. Remember, you have color, ko'umea. All of these are clothing items. So can we get you're gonna type privately in the chat your answers for these next four. Ula ula ko'upapale.
Uli uli alani ko'u mu'u.
Ele ele a ke'o ke'o ko'ulawoho.
My Aloha shirt is green and white.
Okay. So yeah, if you're just joining us, maybe try your best, or we give them about 1.5 minutes to translate the sentences. Some of them are done already. Some of them aren't, which is fine. But whatever you can get done, just try your best. Good. The answers so far coming in are perfect. Oh, I didn't even know.
Who wrote that?
I wrote them, but I didn't know you were gonna wear a blue and orange dress tonight. Oh. Yeah. No worries. Our potluck thing is gonna come soon, so don't eat all your food. Or drink all your drink. Alrighty, so let's get started with the first one. I'm gonna have, does anyone want, if you wanna volunteer, can you raise your hand in the reaction, or just raise your hand for the first sentence? No one? Oh, there, Solana. Can you read it in Hawaiian and then your translation?
Ula ula ko'u papale. My hat is red.
Perfect, good job. Thank you. Next one, number 2. Anyone want to try? Raise your hand. Okay, Jalen.
Uli uli alani ko'u mu'u mu'u. My dress is blue and orange.
Awesome job, thank you. Next one, Akiko, you want to try this one?
Ele ele a ke'o ke'o ko la oho. My hair is white, black and white.
Perfect. Good job.
Mahalo.
The hardest one probably because it's from English to Hawaiian. Anyone? Anyone? Oh God. Oh God. See Mapuana, yep. Our cousin, sorry. I see your mic.
Hello, Mike. Oma o a ke'o ke'o ko'u padule aloha.
Perfect.
Wow.
Good job. Yeah, thank you. So my aloha, you know what? Okay, good. So quickly, we're gonna learn how to turn our descriptive sentence into a negative. Okay, so the word that we're gonna use, e ho'opili mai, everyone at home, ʻAʻole.
ʻAʻole.
And I'm sure you guys all know that word, which means no, but it's also gonna be something that turns our sentence into a negative sentence. So all you gotta do is add the ʻAʻole to the beginning of your normal positive sentence, and then it turns into a negative. Okay, so we're gonna do this right now. If you guys can private chat again your answers, another 1.5 minutes. Let's go with, can you read it?
A'ole akala ko'u ka'a. My car is.
No, you can't.
Sorry.
They gotta write them.
Okay.
Okay.
Elena.
Oh yes.
Hiki ke ʻōLELO ʻaʻole koʻu kaʻaʻakala too? Can you also say it like that or no?
So normally we don't have it jump the akala. That would just stay the same. But there is something that's gonna jump, which is another lesson. But yeah, that's a good question. We would just leave it like that.
Mahalo.
Okay, yeah, if you have any other questions, please type them in the chat or you can turn on your mic. Oh, sorry. Okay, so ʻaʻole poni a mele mele koʻu hale, number 2.
ʻAʻole kaumaha koʻu makua hine.
Okay, and my father is not happy is number 4. A little bit harder because some of these words that was from 2 lessons ago, and I know we forget things in a day, so we probably forget things in 2 weeks.
Yeah, I do.
We know. Okay, yep, Kalana, I'll call on you first. We're just gonna give maybe 30 more seconds. And then who else wants to go? You can raise your hand. Maybe some new people. If there's no volunteers, I'm just gonna pick you. We like to try and get everyone talking, so you know, get them. That's good. Okay, so we're gonna go with Kaulana, Erika, Malulani, and Genesis in that order. Okay, so Kaulana, first one.
Ai ʻaʻale akala koʻu kaʻa. My car is not pink.
Good job. Pretty simple, yeah. You're just doing that ʻaʻole. He said ʻaʻale. You guys heard ʻaʻale? That's another way of saying ʻaʻole. Okay, so you can use both ʻaʻale or ʻaʻole. Okay, number 2. I forget already.
It was me.
Erika, yeah.
It's okay. ʻAʻole poni a mele mele koʻu hale. So my house is not purple and yellow.
Yes, good job. Perfect. Number 3, Malulani. Yeah.
Ai, ʻaʻole kaumaha ko makuahine. My mother is not sad.
Yes, good. You're not? Okay.
No.
And number 4, was that Genesis, yeah?
My father is not happy. It's ʻaʻole hoʻuliʻi kou makua kane.
Perfect. A'ole ho'oli'i ko'u makua.
Ho'oli'i kou makua kane.
How would you say that in Spanish?
Mi padre. Mi papá no está feliz.
Oh, okay, I can't
Mi
say
papá no es feliz.
Mi papá.
Mi papá.
Mi papá.
No.
No.
Es feliz.
Es feliz. Oh, Feliz Navidad.
Oh,
Merry Christmas.
Happy Christmas, yeah. Gracias. Thank you. All right, so I think it's time for our actual lesson of this week. And we're going to get our Instagram thing going. Sorry. You can go.
What's wrong to say?
Just read it.
Okay, mahalo I ka mea loa'a. Be thankful for what you have.
Okay, so this is going to be our ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻo for this week. And it actually takes us into next week's holiday of Thanksgiving and La Ku'oko'a. So mahalo I ka mea loa'a. In the chat, I want you guys to type what this ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻo means to you. Just type your answer, maybe about a minute or so. Again, it doesn't have to be long. It can just be one sentence, a couple words, whatever you feel this ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻo means to you. I don't know how to do this. Okay, Instagram. Oh, God. Okay, for me, my mom, every time we would come home and then we'd eat. It was time for dinner, and we'd get, I don't know, SOS or Simon. We would be like, "What? You gotta eat Simon again?" And she would always say, "Be thankful for what you have." Yeah, I'm sure a lot of our parents said that. So there's always going to be someone that's less fortunate than you. So that's what the ʻŌLELO nā Meaʻai means to me. Just, just remember that to be thankful for, your food you have, the clothes on your back, the house, the roof over your head, because some people don't have that. Yeah. Okay. And what does that mean to you?
For me, at this time, it means I'm so thankful for all the people I met on Ho'opilimai and on our virtual class, that I met so many people I see in the store, and I'm so grateful that we started this class and we're able to meet a lot of people and being able to learn the language from you.
Yep. So we're at Aulani this past weekend for a retreat, and people are coming up to her in the pool saying, "Are you student something happy?" And she was like, "Yes," and she was eating it up. She loved it. So but we couldn't have done that without you. She couldn't be a celebrity without you.
That's what I'm thankful for.
Okay, so and that takes us into our lesson. E hoʻopilimai Nā Meaʻai.
Nā Meaʻai.
Which means?
Food.
My favorite subject. Alrighty then. Okay, so throughout this lesson, if you haven't done it yet, there's going to be a lot of terms, and these are all different food terms. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to actually go through all of the terms, just so that, I'm sure you guys can use these in your everyday life. Yeah? Let's use it real fast.
Never do this before.
Huh?
Did we do this one before?
No. All right, so I'm going to just say them, and you're going to repeat after me. Okay, so the first one, e hoʻopilimai, paipika.
Paipika.
Paipika, at home, paipika, and that means pizza. Our next one, we have pipi palai.
Pipi palai.
So pipi means cow or beef. Palai means fried. So fried cow is a steak. When you say it like fried cow, it doesn't really sound appetizing. Okay, next you have moa palai, kamoa palai.
Kamoa palai.
And that is your fried chicken. Another one, pakeki.
Pakeki
is your
spaghetti.
Good. You have this one's kind of hard to say. So e hoʻopilimai, repeat after me. Kanawika.
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 So that is your sandwich. You want to try? Out of these three?
Hamapuka.
Hamapuka. Good.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. And then we have our next one is cheese, and that is vayu paʻa. And if you think of it, break it down into words. You have vayu, which is milk, and paʻa, which is firm or like hard, so hard milk. That's how our kupuna translated the vayu paʻa, or cheese. Oh God. Okay, which means our last one is
kana'aukake.
Yep, and that's the hot dog or sausage. Before, when I was younger, I used to just call it vela ilio, which is absolutely wrong. That just literally means hot dog. But now we can use na'aukake. Okay, so our first question for this lesson. E hoʻopilimai, he aha kau mea ai punahele.
He aha kau mea ai punahele. He aha kau mea ai punahele.
Can you even read? Okay, so he aha kau mea ai punahele means what is your favorite food? And we used this structure before when we had our name, yeah? You have o, then you have a food, then you're gonna say ka'u mea ai punahele. Or actually no, our favorite teacher. We had that. Okay.
Because you chose the pizza, right?
Yeah, so all food is going to be A class. So anything you eat is going to be A class.
Yeah.
Okay, one thing we're missing is ka, oka. All right, so for me, I'm gonna say oka laulau, ka'u mea ai punahele. My favorite food is laulau. And you? He aha kau mea ai punahele?
O ka pai pika ka'u mea ai punahele.
Okay, good. So we're gonna have you guys do now is type your answer in the chat, and you guys can type it publicly, so everyone can see, or you can keep it private if you don't want everyone to know your favorite food. But I mean, whatever. You do you. Everyone loving poi. Breakfast, love. Sukiyaki. Okay. Smoked meat. Yep. Wow. Guacalua.
Mexican food.
Mexican food. Okay, and we're actually gonna learn Mexican food in a little bit. How to say it. He'elu'o or pihi. Oh my goodness. I'm so hungry. Meaʻai meki koia. Na hua'ai apau. Yes, Kealohi, I saw your video, your homework. And you're the only one that did it so far. So alrighty. So I'm gonna call in a few of you that we didn't call yet. If you can read your answer. Let's have HFCS14. Sorry, that's your name on your thing.
Kalamai.
So here how ai punahele.
Okay. O ka he'e, o ka lu'au he'e, ka umea ai punahele.
Wow. And what's Kalamai Ovaiko inoa? What's your name?
O haliaka ko'u inoa.
Aloha no.
Aloha.
Can you ask Iolani that question?
Iolani. Aloha e Iolani. E haka mea ai punahele?
Beautiful.
O ka poi stew ka umea ai punahele.
O no loa.
Okay. And Iolani, can you ask Chris Lacerda?
Aloha, Chris. Hea ka umea ai punahele.
O ka Mexican food ka umea ai punahele.
Oh no. Okay. And, Chris, can you ask Zina?
Okay. Hea ka umea ai punahele.
Kalamai. O ka poke ko umea ai punahele.
Yeah, of course. It's pretty much all of our favorite food. And then, Zina, can you ask Cousin Tammy? You can be the last one for now.
Aloha, Tammy. He haka mea ai punahele.
Aloha. O ka patele stew ka umea ai punahele.
Oh gosh, from where? Make. Okay, so I know you guys really like the translation activities, so we have a few translations for you. If you guys can choose one or two of these translation things, and then type your answer privately, again, privately in the chat so no one else can see. Okay, we'll give you guys about just two of the choices or two of the sentences. Yep, I like pateles too. Yeah. Yep. Lena Allah, Aloha Instagram. Oh, they're answering. Good job. Hi. O ka poi, ka umea ai punahele. O ke kalo, ka umea ai punahele. O ka mochi, yeah. Aloha, everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna call on a few of you to read your answers. So what does this question mean again? Student Cousin Catfree.
What is your favorite food?
Okay, good. Let's have Lena Allah. Can you do this first one?
O ka na'au kake ka umea ai punahele.
Oh, sorry.
My favorite food is a hot dog.
Yep. Sounds like Mean Girls. Hey, that was a hot dog. Okay, Julian, can you read the second one?
I promise it's Haley, not Julian. I'm just using someone else's computer. No, you're good. Okay, kanawika ka umea ai punahele. My favorite food is sandwich. A sandwich.
Yep, a sandwich. Next, this next one, who did it? Sorry, I'm looking who did that question. Oh, y'all did the easy ones. Y'all did the Hawaiian ones to English. You didn't do the English to Hawaiian, I see. Someone did. And that is HCSFS 14.
Yay! Nice Christmas tree.
Okay, can you read the English and your translation?
Ovao.
Yeah, mahalo.
My favorite food is steak. O ka pipi palai ka umiai punahele.
Yeehaw,
Yeah.
mahalo. And the last one, my favorite food is cheese. Kaviks.
O ka wai ʻŌPaʻa ka ʻumeaʻai punahele.
Okay, thank you everyone who read their answers. Let's move on. So we have a little bit more food names right here. I'm gonna call on you and you're gonna read the term in the row and then guess what it is. Okay, so let's have, who didn't get to go yet? Lindy, you wanna say this first one? Lindy, I think your mic.
Not even there.
Yeah. Oh. Try your mic, Lindy. Yeah.
Okay, Kaimaini, Japanese.
Kaimine.
Kaimini.
And you want to guess which one it is?
I think it's the Japanese food side.
Close. It's, what does it sound like? Kaimine.
Saimin?
Yep, there you go. Saimin.
But, okay, so my picture didn't show a Saimin, but okay.
Okay, thank you. Next
Thank
one,
you.
I have, well, everyone won already, but Bianca, you want to try?
Soup.
Yep, kekupa is soup. Good. Let's have. Lehua Kimura. Hi guys. Hi.
ʻAʻai.
ʻAʻai, yep.
Lau is leaf, so I think it's salad.
Yes, good job. ʻAʻai is salad. This next one, can we have akiko?
Ka meaʻai kepani.
And that is?
How can I tell you?
So,
ka meaʻai kepani. That one. The left one.
You eat it every day. So
yes. But this is
obento. Not obento.
Obento.
What would be the meaʻai is food? So Japanese food. That's So obento, there's no word for obento, but okay, next one. Let's have Suna Kazakapi. You want to try? Meaʻai.
Meaʻai kini. That would be Chinese.
No.
Soup.
So tin or canned food. That's the word for canned food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Canned food.
Yeah.
Oh, hikino.
You don't even care. Okay, next one. Can we have Pamela? Can you read this one?
Meaʻai Mexico.
And that is?
It's Mexican food.
So yeah, we just use the taco. So whoever had Mexican food, I think it was Chris, that would be Meaʻai Mexico. Okay, our next one, Sky.
Ka meaʻai pake. That is Chinese food.
Chinese food, perfect, which means our last one is kapipiku, beef stew. I don't think that's beef stew, but that's the closest emoji we had. So, okay, she go. Okay, perfect. Any questions with these? Okay. So we're actually going to skip this one because it's pretty much the same thing. Make make o I ka meaʻai hea, which is kind of like, what is your favorite food? But you're just saying, I like the Chinese food or whatever, yeah. But we're going to go to this next one. And that's going to be He aha kau ono. E hoʻopili mai. He aha kau ono.
He aha kau
Yeah.
ono.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
That's okay. He aha kau ono, which is, ono, of course, means delicious, but it also means like kind of like craving. So what are you craving? Okay, so our answer, ono wau I, you're going to say ka or ke, and then whatever you're craving. Okay, so ono wau I haukalima. I am craving ice cream. Okay, and then what are you ono for?
Apple pie.
So ono wau I ka.
Ono au I ka.
You can say it in English.
Apple pie.
Okay, good. Oh, here. Let's go over it. This is probably my favorite slide. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you because we don't have that much time. But our first one, e hoʻopili mai, mea ono.
Mea ono.
Which is a cake. Next one, haukalima.
Haukalima.
Which is ice cream. Next one, kanake.
Kanake.
Which is candy. You guys can repeat it with me as well. You have our kokoleka.
Kokoleka.
Which is
chocolate.
Chocolate. Koneko.
Koneko.
Sounds like what?
Cookie. Oh no.
Really?
Donut. Donut.
Koneko sounds like cookie?
Doesn't sound like donut either.
Okay, thanks, Lindy.
You got it.
Okay, so what would cookie be? Mochi? So cookie is cookie. And then I looked up mochi in Vehe and it actually came out to mochi with kākou. So that was new to me. And then last one is pie.
Pie.
Which is what?
Pie.
Oh, good. Okay, so using one of these words, one of these desserts, because we always crave desserts, answer this question. He aha kau ono. And you can type your answer in the chat. Koneko means kitten in Japanese. I love. Really? Too sweet. Oh, there's two. Yeah, there's two. Okay, good. They're all coming in. I'm going to call on a few of you to ask you what is your craving. And those of you who just, we're probably going to go past 7:30 because I talk too much. So if you can't stay, you can leave. But if you can, then we'll probably just keep going until we call. Okay, so I'm going to call on Carly. He aha kau ono.
Ono au I ka haukalima.
Perfect. Okay, can you ask Solana?
Solana, he aha kau ono.
Ono au I ka cookie.
Yep, okay, cookie. Solana, can you ask Anuhea?
Anuhea, he aha kau ono. Kahopia.
Oh, good. So you used one that's not there, but that's perfectly fine. So she's ono for Haupia. And Anuhea, can you ask cousin Mililani?
O Mililani, he aha kau ono. Oh, sorry, Emily.
Mahalo. Ono au I kokoleka.
Kokoleka. Yep, chocolate. Okay, and then let's move on. Maybe just do one of these sample sentences. He aha kau ono, ono au I ka mea ono, ono au I ke koneka, I am craving chocolate, or I am craving mochi. One of your chat. Ono au I ka mochi, ikeda mañana.
Ikeya manaba.
Oh, manaba. Okay.
Ikeya manaba. Ikalamai.
Oh, you get mochi right now? Oh, okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, good. we're gonna skip that because the answers are pretty easy, and they're pretty much everyone that's coming in is right. So good job. All right. How's me? I think we can do all of this in an hour. That's definitely not happening. Okay. So this next question, e ho'opili mai. He aha kau e aine. Okay, so what are you eating?
What are you eating?
And this is where our potluck dish comes in handy. So if you can all take out your potluck dish or whatever your, oh, it's melted. Okay, so he aha kau e aine, what are you eating? The answer is going to be he aine au.
He aine au.
E, and then whatever food you have.
E.
Okay, so if you don't know what food you have, no worries.
Say it in English.
You can say it in English. Can you all show us your potluck dish? You guys know what this is? It's not Chinese food.
Pizza.
It's asato sherbet. If you haven't had it, you should get it. It's so good.
Yeah.
Okay, so
That's not fair.
sorry about it. Hey, I mixed this with your moonshine. It was good.
Okay.
Okay, so for me, ke aineo I kahau kalima, and I'm gonna say mai asatos. So what does that mean? Ke aineo I kahau kalima mai asatos. Can you guys type that answer in the chat?
You're eating just like you.
Yay. Itadakimasu. Good. Yep. From. Stay from a sound. Kelohi, I like you.
What you say?
Stay from Asato's Lada. Good. Okay, so I'm eating ice cream from Asato's. I don't know if there's a word for sherbet, but Haukalima works.
Somebody eating fried rice.
The water. Okay. So I'm going to ask you guys to type what you're eating right now. So you're answering Heha Kaue Aine. What are you currently eating? And then just put in whatever you're eating. If you don't know the word in Hawaiian, just type it in English or Spanish. Okay, so ke aineo I ka curry moa. Yep. Ke aineo I ka paipika mai Pizza Hut. Ke aineo I ka moa palai. Good. Choke pizza. Meatloaf. Yep. Men palai. Oh, fried men. Yeah, fried salmon maybe. What's alekina? Kavika.
Argentina.
Oh, Argentinian food.
Oh.
Kanawito pastrami, alani pake. Healthy, very healthy. Salad, Bianca, and meaʻai pake. Good. Estoy comiendo arroz frito. I'm guessing that's
Fritos.
Fried rice, not Fritos. Oh my gosh, you just be a comedy show already.
Sorry.
Okay, good. So those are good. Those answers coming in. We're gonna move to the next one, which is you can do this, student cousin Capri.
Sorry, y'all.
Inune.
Okay, and what does that mean?
What are you drinking?
Okay, what are you drinking? This is a perfect question for you, student cousin Capri. So ke inuneo I. So whatever you're drinking at the current time. So can you tell us what you're drinking?
Inuneo I vai.
Ikavai. Okay, so that's water. Pretty simple because it's kind of the same question as what are you eating, but you're just changing inu to ai to inu. Okay, here are some words for you to know of different drinks. You have your ki oma oma'o.
Ki oma oma'o.
Green tea, vayu. Milk. This is supposed to be kamau ki aha, which means to like cheers.
Oh.
So cheers.
Cheers.
Hello.
Kamau ki
Cheers,
aha.
your computer. Okay, you have your kolowaka,
Kolowaka.
which is your soda, your kope,
Kope.
your coffee. I don't know what that is. Oh, I'm guessing it's tea.
Iced tea.
Maybe lemonade? No. I have no idea.
Vai lemmy.
Okay, so the next one is water. Vai. And then this is lemonade. Vai lemmy. So, oh, this is juice. So, vai hua'ai.
Vai hua'ai.
Okay, so hea kawe inu nei. Type in your answers in the chat.
Didn't you make this?
Huh?
Didn't you make this?
Yes, I made it, but I forget. I quit. Okay, good. So we get some coming in. Anyone want to give us their answers? Kapo? Hea kawe inu nei.
Kala mai ke inu nei wau I ka wai.
Okay, mahalo. Haley Chain. Oh, you changed your name back. Haley Chain, hea kawe inu nei.
Ke inu nei au I ka wai.
Mahea, hea kawe inu. No one's drinking alcohol? Ke inu nei au, or hea kawe inu nei?
Ke inu nei au I ka wai.
Iolani, hea kawe inu nei? I'm not judging, because water is good.
Ke inu nei au. The moon shine. Cheers.
So alcohol or like any alcohol we just call lama.
Lava?
Like rum, yeah. Or wine is waina. Okay. Wow, we have 50 followers because we talked about alcohol on Instagram. Wow. Okay. And Kelohi, you want to give us Yakawa Inune? You're in.
Ke inu nei au I ka lama apau. Pia, waina, soju, chihu.
I like it. A+ student.
Yeah,
Okay, so now we're going to do our breakout rooms, and we're just going to ask 4 questions. I'm going to send those questions to you in the chat. Well, actually. Okay, so here they come. You guys can either screenshot or copy these questions, because I think it might delete when you go into your breakout rooms. I'm not too sure. So either screenshot them or just copy them, and then it'll be there in the chat or in the breakout room.
Screenshot.
Okay, my mom wants to know if the older people in the class, if the older cousins know how to screenshot. Yeah.
No, Angelina said no.
Yeah, they all know. Okay, good.
I don't know how.
I
don't know how.
Okay, so you can do, all you can do, you see the chat that I just sent you? All you gotta do is highlight it all, and then you can press Command C, and that's gonna be.
Oh, okay. All right, Mahalo.
Screenshot is, I don't know what kind of computer, so it might be different. You know, so I'm gonna open up the breakout rooms. For those of you who know, you guys just lead them. The new ones, just follow along. And yeah, let's get it going. And ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO. Any questions? Okay, no? Okay, let's go.
Any questions?
All right, okay, yeah, any questions?
If you learn them and Tammy, you guys got it.
I'm lost, but I'm just waiting to be put into a room, I guess, yeah?
Yeah, okay, we'll come into your room and we'll help you. Okay. Want some? No.
What? How did I get 50?
We don't.
Here, wave. Are you looking at us?
Hi, Ali girl. I'm eating some Osakas.
Hi.
So, Papa Koleo and Stacy, were you guys able to join? Okay, let's do this. And
what? I'll go first.
Okay. He aha ko e He aha ko mea ai punahele.
O ka mea ai Hawaiʻi ka mea ai punahele.
Yeah. Make oi I ka mea ai hea.
Make au I ka I ka mea ai Hawaiʻi.
Yep.
Okay. He aha ko ono.
Let me see.
You can have the
Ono
same answer.
lima.
Sorry. I was gonna say you can have the same answer, mea ai Hawaii, because we all love Hawaiian food, but if you can switch them up, yeah, you can switch them up. So mahalo.
Okay. Make oi ai I ke aha.
Make au I ai I ka hauka lima.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. He aha ko e ai nei.
Ke ai nei au I ke kuki I ke ia manawa.
He aha ko e inu nei.
Ke inu nei au I ka wai.
Oh yeah, so healthy.
Chris?
I'm reading, asking, I mean.
Maybe Kaulana, you can ask and then Chris can answer.
Hiki no. He aha ka mea ai punahele.
What was Mexican food? O ka mea ai Mexico.
Ai.
Mea ai punahele.
He aha make oi ka mea ai hea.
Okay. He aha kau e ai nei.
What am I eating? Ke ai nei au I sushi ko.
Ooh. And here comes Ooh with his asato. My ka'i ladies, my ka'i.
Lani.
Iolani. He aha ka mea ai punahele.
O ka poi stew ka.
I want to.
Okay. Two. Make oi ka mai hea.
Make au I ke kanake. I like candy.
Candy. Okay.
That's my favorite sentence in high school.
Three.
Bye.
Hi, Kumu.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
He aha kau ono.
Ono au I kahau kalima.
Okay.
Ice cream.
Kalima. He aha kau inu nei.
Ke inu nei au I ka wai hua ai lilikoi. Ame ka waikulu, which is the word that I found for alcohol. I'm drinking lilikoi juice with alcohol.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yeah.
He aha kau e inu nei.
Ke inu nei au I ka wai hua ai.
Mai kai.
Guava. I don't know.
Guava.
Okay. Bianca. He aha kau mea ai punahele.
O ka hua ai ka mea ai punahele.
Mai kai. Make oi.
Can we ask you a question just between the two questions?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
The second question, and then so make oi I ka mea ai I hea, and then make oi I e ai ke aha.
Yeah.
What is the difference between those?
So yeah, we didn't go over that, but it just means what food do you like, or what food do you like, and what food do you like to eat. Those are just, that's why I took them out, because we kind of asked them through other ways. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, you're good.
Yeah, make oi ka mea ai hea.
Make au.
Aloha kumu. Aloha, student cousin. Happy.
You guys, Paul.
We're just going through the last few questions.
Okay.
But the make sentences, they're kind of similar, yeah?
Yeah.
To each other.
So the first one is just like, what food do you like? And the second one, what do you like to eat?
Because at first we were like, oh, is it asking us where we want to eat from?
Oh, yeah.
Because, yeah.
Yes, yeah. So, yeah, Kalamai, I didn't want to go over all of them because that would have been too long. But, yeah. Just include them. Just try your best. See what you guys get.
Okay.
Okay.
Lehua.
Ona au I ka haukalima.
Oh, cute.
Oh.
Yes, Paul.
Yeah, we went around asking each other the questions.
Okay.
And answering.
So maybe about 2 more minutes. You can just vola'au or, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Okay, mahalo.
Yep, mahalo.
Is that room ready? Let's put this on.
Kākou ʻAʻA. What are you eating right now?
Nothing.
Ke ʻinu
How do you say that? Nothing. I'm not eating anything.
ʻAʻole.
ʻAʻole.
Yep.
ʻAʻole.
Yep.
Kākou ʻinu. What are you drinking?
Vivella.
Hot water.
Aye.
Mahalo.
Maybe about 1 more minute.
Now we no can. They say we cannot go into the office anymore, so there goes my free AC, yeah? So now
Aloha kumu. All I heard was not a can. They got free AC anymore.
But my electric bill, kumu.
I know. I get you. I get it.
No, you don't.
Oh,
why you make us talk about desserts at like 7:30 at night when it's like too late for us to go out and get like donuts at Zippy's and stuff?
I know.
Why you do that?
Hey.
It's just
Cheers. Cheers.
At least you have a Zippy's. We don't have a Zippy's here.
Where do you live, Raven?
Kona.
You gotta go.
But I'm moving back soon. You used to live in Hilo?
No, you gotta go all the way to Hilo for Zippy's, yeah?
Oh, no, there's no Zippy's there. Oh, yeah, there is at the mall. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Wait, can I ask, Auntie Cousin Cappy, or Student Cousin Cappy, excuse me.
Yes.
What is your favorite dessert?
I like Haupia ice cream, Rosilani. Yeah, I like that.
Okay, not that we're gonna bribe you or anything.
I like that. Okay, 1 more minute and then we'll invite everyone back.
My kalihi.
Aloha. Kākou. Behea ko haukalima.
Oh no. So all of you are pretty much new. Like Auntie Zina, is this your first Zoom class or no? You've been, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But Joanna, Tammy, and Kelohi, this is your first time, yeah.
No.
Oh.
No, Tammy's been
Oh yeah,
here.
Auntie Tammy, you've been, yes. But Joanna and Kelohi. Okay, but thank you guys for joining. Where do you guys find the class? On Instagram?
Hi.
Okay.
No.
No.
I found him. My son found you.
Oh, cool. Oh, awesome. Is Joanna frozen or is that? Oh,
Yeah, she goes in and out.
oh, there. Aloha, Joanna.
Aloha.
Thanks for joining us. Okay, we're going to invite everyone back to the room. So we'll see you guys in the main room.
Okay, mahalo.
Hello.
Mahalo.
So, where's your pikake?
I got in my spot.
What was that for?
I think they didn't give it to me, and Uncle Alan gave this one to me for making a pie last night. I put it into Chris.
What? What?
Favors and centerpieces and whoever wore our jersey got to put the name in a bowl, and I gave them a gift.
Okay, aloha everyone. When you come in, can you guys just turn on mute? And then we're just going to take a quick picture. Everyone, shaka. 1, 2, 3. Okay, mahalo. All right, we're just going to wrap up. If we have any volunteers, I want to try and see if we can get our new haumana to answer the questions. Okay, everyone should be back by now. Kiddos, what am I doing? Okay, so we had our breakout rooms. So what we do is we have time to have someone answer all the questions that we went through. So from our new haumana, does anyone wanna, those of you joining us for the first time, does anyone wanna try? I'll ask you the questions and then you can read your answers. Okay, Jalen. Aloha kaua. He ko mea ai punahele?
Oka koe ka umea ai punahele. Kalamai.
Oh, we're good. I'm going to jump to he ko ono.
Ono au I ka haukalima.
Okay, and then he ko e aine.
Ke aine au I ka hot Cheetos.
Ooh, yum.
Mane.
And he ko e inune.
Ke inune au I ka vai.
Okay, mahalo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, anyone else? Our new haumana? Chris, yeah?
I'll try. Okay.
Thank you. He ko mea ai punahele?
Okay, let me put some of the kind. Yeah, how? Okay, I lost. I don't know how to start this one off.
Oka.
Oh, okay. Oka. Kamea ai Mexico. Punahele.
Yep.
Kamea ai punahele.
Okay, good. Heaha kau ono.
Heaha kau ono. I mean, ono au I ka koneko.
Yep. Heaha kau e aine. What are you eating?
Aine au I ka hamburger steak.
Yum. Okay, and heaha kau e inune.
Inune au I ka vai.
Okay, mahalo. Thank you. Maybe one more. Kealohi, you like try?
Ai, hiki no.
Okay. Heaha kau mea ai punahele?
Ku lolo ko mea ai punahele.
Okay. Heaha kau ono?
Ono au I ka halakahiki.
Okay, pineapple. Heaha kau e aine?
Ke aine au I ke kupa kolea me ka mochi.
Oh, wow. Korean stew.
Like kaimini.
Oh, kaimini. Oh, okay.
Ke kupa ula ula. Ea, kama aina oi?
Oh, the red. Yeah.
Ai.
That's
Ono
a
loa.
good one. Okay, and heaha kau e inune?
Ke inune au I hoʻokahi ki ava kawa.
Oh, my kai. Oh, good. Okay. One last one, maybe HFCS 14. Sorry, haleaka.
I love that name.
I know, me too.
Aloha.
Aloha. He aha kau meaʻai punahele?
O ka pipi palai ka umea ai punahele.
Wow, poo. He aha kau ono?
He aha kau ono. Ono wau I ka haukalima.
Okay. He aha kau e ai nei?
E ai nei I ka pai.
Ooh. That looks like the pie from The Help.
Chocolate or pia.
Yeah, chocolate, that's right. Not just kidding. And he aha kau e inu nei?
Ke ino nei au I ka vai hua ai.
Oh, makai. Thank you, everyone who just presented.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
I'm just going to wrap up. So I'm actually going to give you Ha'awina for the first time, which is a part of your Google Classroom Ha'awina. And that is to just record the Flipgrid, which I think it's in the link that I just sent out, or I sent out at the beginning. Just click on that link and then record yourself answering or following my example. Again, if you gotta go, just go. The rest will be put up in the Google Classroom. Okay, so here's the example of it. Or not. Aloha me kākou o kumakaru wala ko uiloa. He aha kau meaʻai punahele, o ka laulau ka meaʻai punahele. He aha kau ono au I ke kuki. He aha kau e ai nei, ke ai nei au I ka I opua a uahi. He aha kau e inu nei, ke inu nei au I ka wai. I'll drink water. Kopi mai, ʻAʻala. Maiʻa, banana. With the makeup palette. Aloha lina lina. Pancake. Tiki. Chips. Waiū paka. Butter. Huiho. Okay, so simple Ha'awina, just like that. You guys can do them right now. Since you guys get all your food around you, just answering those 4 questions that I had, and then introducing some new food words that you learned tonight, or you can vehevehe on vehevehe.
How do they send it to you?
It's gonna show up on Flipgrid. Just use that link that I just sent out. Okay. Thank you again to our virtual winners last week, or thank you to Leina Allah for donating our gift or our prize. Which is some gift cards. Can we have a nice round of applause?
Thank you,
and I think
Allah.
whoever won it, you guys got it in the email. So hopefully you guys were able to buy some cool stuff. This week we have gifts from Kanaka Prints, which are another set of their breast cancer awareness. So thank you, Auntie April, and your brother-in-law and your sister. And then Akiko just sent me a whole bunch of makana, or like snacks from Japan. So the winners will also get some kitukatu from Japan.
Omiyage.
So you'll get one of each. Okay, and the winners will be notified by email. Okay. Alrighty. The donations from tonight's class will be donated to Hawaiʻi Food Bank on behalf of Ho'opili Mai, in honor of Palafunga. So if you guys donate from Venmo or PayPal, all of that will be sent to Hawaii Food Bank. If you don't know the story yet, you can look it up. I don't really want to talk about it, but yeah, it's on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, but Palafunga, a beautiful person. This is for her. Okay. Also, my band, Keoho, Katie Cheney, we're going to have a free online concert on Friday. So the link is in the chat as well. You guys can sign up, and then you'll get sent the Zoom link on Friday. It's going to be from 7 to 8 Hawaii time. So Mexico is like 3 or 2 in the morning, 1 in the morning. Japan is, I don't even know.
When did they take that picture?
This was 30 pounds ago. Nah, I don't know when. Shoot. Okay, so if you guys are free on Friday and don't have anything to do, then you can do that. But yeah, just wrapping up. Mahalo again. Next class will be next week, Tuesday, which we're going to talk about mahalo or appreciation in honor of Thanksgiving. Here's the Venmo. If you guys feel free to donate for Hawaii Food Bank. And
Bye, everyone.
Ahui ho. If you want to
Ahui ho.
stay and vala'au, we can stay.
And have a
But
great week.
have a great rest of your week. We'll see you guys. We're going to have time for questions. Aloha. Look at
Aloha.
Joanna's baby. So cute.
Henny, no. Did you say you're not taking questions?
No, I am.
Okay, so Henny now, should I noe maka ʻŌLELO haole forever or?
Yeah, that's perfect. ʻŌLELO haole would be better.
So when we were measuring we didn't talk about this, but makavikio that you sent us.
Yeah.
When he's talking about measuring the stems, he says like maha and like makolu to like 4-finger measurement, 3-finger measurement. Do they ever do like a mavalu? Does that even exist, or is it usually?
I think it would just be the 5. Yeah.
So just be malima. They
Malima.
wouldn't mavalu maono.
Yeah.
They wouldn't do.
Yeah, because I don't think they would ever go like that. But I can ask him because he's my coworker. So I'll ask him and I'll get back to you on email or something.
Okay,
Yeah.
that was
a good question though.
Yeah.
I know there's other ones for like Ivile and
Yeah, I wrote that down. Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna actually do a lesson on that coming up. Okay. Yeah. Student cousin happy has to go. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Oyo.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyone else want to try their answers, or anyone else wants to?
Any no kau?
Yo, yeah.
What is the word for puzzle? I was working with a puzzle with my kids today. So what is the word like for a puzzle? Is it nane apana?
Yeah, that's what I heard. Nane apana. So like, nane is like riddle, and apana is peace. So that's how I guess that's.
Oh, okay.
So riddle. Okay. I also heard palaka, nane palaka, or palaka nane, which is like block riddles. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Lindy. Yep.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Lindy. Sorry, your mic.
There. Can you hear me now? What would be the word for a painter, an artist?
So, you can do. I heard paheona. I'll type it in the chat. Paheona. So you can do. That means art. So I would say Kanaka Paheona would be an artist, or
how do you spell pahe?
Thank you, Haleaka. I sent it in the chat. Yeah.
Okay. Mahalo.
Can you use the word po'e and kanaka interchangeably? Could you also say po'e paheona?
Yeah, you can. So you can actually use kanaka, mea, and po'e. Mea is like, it means thing, but like for chef we go mea kuke. So yeah, I'm sure you can use mea hana no eo or mea paheona, whatever. Okay, yeah, these questions. This is the time it doesn't even have to be about food. I like it to be about food, but if you have any questions about anything else, you can ask. Yes, Akiko.
Iki au ninawaku. How do you say beer in Hawaiian?
Pia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mahalo.
Or you can just say lama too. Lama. Lama works for just alcohol. Yeah.
Con L? With L?
Yeah, with L, yeah.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. And then in Japanese, it's biru, yeah? Nama biru.
Nama biru, fresh beer.
Nama biru. Hi. Okay. Anyone else have questions? If not, I'm going to ask a few of you to read your answers. Pamela, you want to go? Okay.
Yes.
He aha kau mea ai punahele? We hope.
O ka pakeki ko'u ka'u mea ai punahele.
Kopua, he aha kau ono?
Ono au I ka haukalima kokoleka.
Yum. Carly, he aha kau e ai nei?
ʻAʻole ke ʻaine au iki I manawa.
Oh, good. That's a really good try, I guess.
Okay.
I'm trying to be nice. But, no, it was perfect. But for that one, I'm gonna give it to you. It's going to be ʻAʻole o, and then when you change it, it's gonna be oh shit. Oh, sorry. ʻAʻole o. I'm going to get fired. Oh, I'm my own boss, so I'm not. Okay. So ʻAʻole o e. What is happening? It just keeps measuring. ʻAʻole o e ai nei. Okay. So that shows.
ʻAʻole au e ʻaine. Okay.
Well, Haley, join the concert on Friday if you can.
Mahalo.
I have a question.
Yeah.
About
the structure. So like is the nay part supposed to be Carly, stop laughing. So eras. Is the nay part
Are you guys in the same house? Oh, you guys are in the same house.
Yeah. That's my whole yeah. But yeah.
So the nay it shows the present tense.
So is there a reason why we don't have the K blank nay?
You know what? When I first learned it, I always asked, and then my teacher was like, "Don't ask. That's just how our kapuna did." So I guess when they say it, ʻAʻole au ke ʻaine, it just sounded weird, so they switched it to e ʻaine. Yeah, but we're gonna get to that in a lesson eventually. So you guys just gotta preview. But yeah.
Okay. Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Okay. I'll listen on Friday. So excited.
Sounds good. And share them with whoever. It's free.
Okay. Mahalo.
Okay. Carly, so yeah, you got it, yeah. Okay. Leina ala, you wanna try? He aha kau e inu nei. Oh, I know, but yeah.
Ke inu nei au I ka wai hua ai lilikoi me ka wai kulu, which is the word I found for alcohol, which we researched a little bit and means drowsy water. But basically, I am drinking lilikoi juice with alcohol.
Drowsy water.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out, because when I searched on vehe alcohol, there was a Hawaiianized version of the English word for alcohol. And then there was Vaikulu. So I was like, I'm going to go with Vaikulu. I'm sure it means something.
Yeah.
And then in our breakout room, I researched it, and there was a lot of potential Kulu words.
Yeah.
And I guess Kulu means drowsy as well. So I assume it means drowsy water.
No, that's good to know.
And not gonorrhea water, which was also an option. So.
What?
So, you know.
That does not sound good, but yeah.
Nope. That's some information you guys didn't need.
Yeah, no, but we can use it. Halaka, you had a question, or you just?
ʻAʻole, I just wanted to listen.
Oh yeah, we're just wala'au.
Yeah,
Talking
thank you.
story. Okay. Anyone else? Mililani, you wanna try? Okay, what would it mean if I said, "He aha kau mea ono punahele"?
What is your favorite dessert?
Yeah. Okay. You want to try answer?
Favorite dessert. Yeah. Ono au ika hai apala.
Yeah. How would you say it with the oka? Oka pai apala ka'u?
Oka pai okana. Mea ono?
Mea ono punahele. Yeah. Good job. So oka pai apala ka'u mea ono punahele. Lindy?
Can I ask you when make make changes to mamake when you answer?
Oh, that's a good one. It's also, mamake is only used when you speak.
So when you're answering,
Yeah. But if
that-
you write it out, it always has to be make make.
if you write it out,
Yeah.
is that what you
So, yeah. If you write it, then you can say, you got to say make make. But if you say it, you can say mamake or make make.
Ah, mahalo.
Good question. Yeah. Lehua, you want to try? Heaha kau ono? Sorry, you're like. Sorry, your mic. Oh, there. Right. Okay. 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 So, any other questions before we call? We good?
Kumu,
Yeah.
one more question.
Yeah. Go. No.
Sorry. What is the word for hot chocolate? Would you say kokoleka vela or?
Yeah, that's what I use. Kokoleka vela.
Okay.
Which works because, like, it works better than ʻELEO vela for a hot dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. You could just think about a dog being hot. Like, that's not the same thing, you know?
All right.
Yeah.
Mahalo.
Yeah.
Okay, pu.
Akiko, yep.
How do you say iced tea? Ki, kaki, kiki,
Hui hui.
hui hui.
Yeah.
Mahalo.
Which is your weather term, but we also would use that for like chilly or chilled. Yep. Anything else? Nope. Okay, I think we're good. I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday. Have a good week. And
Hello.
Aloha, mahalo.
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 Mahalo. Hui ho.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Have a great week.
Uho.
ʻŌLELO.
Mahalo. Haoli pule. Okay, bye.